2005 Yz250. Just got the head. She's not looking bad. No major nicks or dings or anything. Oh yeah. That's good to see. Got the piston out. I'm doing an inspection. You can see that, the top part of that piston. Okay, line your piston up with these pins. I like to make a little mark with a Sharpie, but your oil will wear it off. Just keep that in mind when you put your jug on. Also, this is a Wesco piston, but all of them are the same. Put your arrow towards your... I want to do a compression check. Just want to see what we're at. We got loads of compression. It's a ton of compression. More than it was at before. Before I think it was at like 65. So we're at 180, 185. All right. I'm gonna take y'all. She hasn't been started yet. Got the Lectron on here. Still warming up. Come on. Holy shit. We're at 210. So we're at, say, about 210, 215.